In today's video, we're going to be talking about keywords in Final Cut Pro. To stay organized, keywords are a great way to help you out. There's two ways to get to them. You can either go Command K for the keyboard shortcut, or you can go up to the top left-hand corner here and click the little key icon. Then select the clip that you want to work with. I selected the whole clip here. Now if I go over to the top section of this keyword and type in dinner, you'll also notice that it shows down in the keyword shortcuts. Now I can add up to 9 keyword shortcuts, and they automatically fill in until you have 9 in here. You can delete dinner out of here and it will keep up here. Now if I wanted to type in drink, because there's a drink here, it automatically shows up here, and you see these are automatically adding to the other side. Now this was shot on the EOS R, so I can either click on the 3 and the up right here and add it up there, or I can go Control 3. You go Control and any of these numbers, they automatically show up. So if I wanted to add pictures to this, I can go Control 5. Now if I add 2 more keywords here, table, breakfast, you'll notice breakfast doesn't show up on here. But if you delete drink and you wanted to add another keyword, silverware, you'll notice that automatically fills. So as long as there's an opening, the keywords will automatically fill down here. But as I showed before, you can delete these. Now, if you look over on the left-hand side here, you see all the keywords that we worked with already. If we go back to the timeline here, and we only select a little bit of this whole clip, and we want to add drink to this, it'll automatically show up down in the shortcuts like I did before because they are clear. But if we go over to drink and click on the clip, you'll notice the clip is here, same number and everything, but it's shorter. If we drag it down to the timeline, it's not the full clip. You can tell that because you can pull it in either direction and get the full clip out of there. Using keywords is a great way to organize sections of a video or the whole video so you can easily find what you're looking for, especially on long, large projects. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.